जी।
Today we are discussing about the unit number 5, style and content of textbook. This topic also is related to our last topic as we have discussed already. So, style of a textbook. What should be style of textbook and what are the characters of that textbook? Uh, First of all, the textbook that are intended to be used should be useful for both the students as well as teachers. They should be so designed that on the one hand they may be writing according to the psychological requirements of the students, and on other hand they should serve the purpose of the teacher who wish to impart knowledge to the student in a successful and interesting manner. Here we have a characteristic of book. That book should be designed in a very specific and according to the psychological requirements of the students. Those students who are in the field of individual difference. If the book contains a same type of knowledge, the most of the students will be able to understand the whole book. Despite that, due to individual differences, various students are not able to understand the characteristic of a same book. Means a writer should be able to differentiate between all these students who are in the field of in the matter of individual difference. So there should be a psychological requirement for the students. This is a very important characteristic in a book, and writers must be keep in mind this point. Second one, we have the size of the book should be handy. It should be possible for the student to carry them properly. This is especially true about books intended for a primary classes. Most of the students who are very toddler kids and under 5 under 8 age, so their hands are very small, so books should be according to their handy side by which they can easily handle these books and carry to the school or in front of teacher. This is second point. Third one, printing and get-up of books should be interesting and attractive. They should be printed in the letters that they do not require strain on the eyes of the students. On the other hand, they should be correctly and neatly printed. Printing is a very also important part of any textbook. If printing is good and very attractive and very clear, the students who are very curious about their books, they should be uh, in a situation they can read these books very clearly and interestingly. If the books are not clear, students will be in a very critical position and they will be disheartened when they are studying or reading. Fourth point, we have the exterior of the picture should be attractive. If the exterior is attractive, students would like to carry them and keep them. This few of books intended for primary classes. The outer pictures are the extra or looking part from the point of view. A book should be very attractive. When a students see the book, they must carry them with them. If the outer part of the book is very looking boring, dull, or very we can say इसको हम lightly ले लें, So students will not attract these kinds of things. 5 and we have they should serve the purpose of subject matter as well as the aims and objects of teaching. They should be written with a view on the aims and objectives of the teaching. This is also a very important point. The purpose of subject matter as well as aims and of teaching must be keep in mind that why this book is written, what the material should be in this book, and how we can achieve these aims and objectives through the teaching. These are also important points. The next one we have the textbook should be accurately written. They should present the subject matter in such a manner that there is no fault in them, the subject matter presented. Whatever subject matter is presented, it should be clearly and accurately with a reasonable study. If the it will not be so accurate, the representative or teachers or students will be in a very critical situation. Next one, the topic we have the physical aspect of textbook. Before this, we have discussed the characteristic. Now, how the textbook should be looked through the various students. Number one, we have paper size. Paper size should be thick, plain, and attractive in touch, smooth and soft in nature. If the paper size will be soft and very clear, according to the, जैसे mostly we use A4 size, the students will be easy to handle and keep easily in a bag. Paperback. A paperback is a type of book characterized by a thick paperboard cover and often held together with glue rather than stitches and staples. In contrast, hardcover or hardback books are bound with cardboard cover with glass. Means it must be in a valid and strong situation that easily cannot be taught by the students. Now the portion is binding. It should be more tightened and fitted with specifics. Book should be binded in such a way that one must feel no fear of quick tear. Same we have already discussed. The binding should be very tight and in a strong. Lamination, it is protection of paper by overlapping thin cover sheet that will increase the life of book from escaping from the student to spoiling. This is also a sheet which also cover the whole body of the book. The book cannot be torn quickly and students will be easy to purchase or buy for the long life of this book. Dust cover is also important for the any type of book. By the dust cover, the various books cannot be quickly tore or in we can say uh, spoil. So this is all about the various characteristics and how a book can be in our hand. Next topic we are going to discuss